where does the name for Wern Fach come from? So today I'm on a hill at the back of Bettws and Thros in Conwy County, and this hill behind me, this other hill, is called Wern Fach. Wern is the soft mutation of Gwern, which means alder trees or sometimes marshland, I presume because alder trees must grow in marshland. It's soft mutated because it used to have an before it, which means the, and it's a feminine noun, so it changes. So it means the alder trees, and then Fach means small, and it's soft mutated as well because when an adjective is attached to a feminine noun, the first sound changes. So it's Wern Fach, the small patch of alder trees, the small marshland. Anyway, diolch. Subscribe for more, like, share and subscribe if you can. And if you want to support me on my mission to explain every place name in Wales, even the hills in the middle of nowhere, you can find my Patreon in my subscription, in my link in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.